Bonjour! Today I will teach you the 100 most common French words with clear pronunciation and meanings. Practice with me. I'll say each word, then you repeat. Ready? Let's start. Quick tips. Pause if you need more time. Repeat aloud twice. I'll show the French words, its English meaning, and a simple pronunciation guide. I'll also pin the full list in the description. Check it after the video. 100 most common French words.
Bonjour, hello, or good morning. Salut, hi, or bye. Bonsoir, good evening. Au revoir, goodbye. A bientôt, see you soon. Oui, yes. No, no. S'il vous plaît, please. Merci, thank you. Merci beaucoup, thank you very much.
De rien. You are welcome. Pardon. Sorry. Excusez-moi. Excuse me. Je. I. Tu. You in informal. Il. He. Elle. She. Nous. We. Who. You informal and it can be used in plural. Il. They. Elle. They. Qui. Who. Quoi. What. Où. Where. Quand. When.
Pourquoi? Why? Comment? How? Combien? How much? Or how many? Aujourd'hui? Today. Demain? Tomorrow. Hier? Yesterday. Matin? Morning. Soir? Evening. Nuit? Night. Jour? Day. Semaine? Week.
Mois. Month. Année. Year. Maison. House. Appartement. Apartment. École. School. Professor. Teacher. Étudiant. Student. Ami. Friend. Famille. Family. Enfant. Child. Homme. Man.
Femme? Woman. Garçon? Boy. Fille? Girl. Père? Father. Mère? Mother. Frère? Brother. Sir? Sister. Bébé? Baby. Travail? Work or job. Bureau? Office or desk. Wheel? City.
Rue. Street. maison, shop, marché, market, restaurant, restaurant, hôpital, hospital, voiture, car, train, train, avion, plane, billet, ticket, argent, money, heure, hour,
minute, minute, temps, time or weather, chaud, hot, froid, cold, grand, big or tall, petit, small, beau, beautiful, bon, good, mauvais, bad, nouveau, new, vieux, old,
jeune, young, important, important, facile, easy, difficile, difficult, toujours, always, souvent, often, parfois, sometimes, jamais, never, ici, here, là, there, là-bas, over there,
awake, with, sans, without, pour, for, parce que, because, et, and, ou, or, mais, but, aller, to go, venir, to come, faire, to do or to make, être, to be, avoir, to have.
Now a quick tip. Group words by topic, greetings, family, school, verbs, and practice 10 a day. Practice aloud 2 times each day for 1 week and you will remember most of these. If this helped, like and subscribe. Want a printable PDF of these 100 words with audio? Comment PDF and I'll pin the download link. Bon courage! A bientôt!